just popping up on the floor because I wanted to thank you for the great jobs you are doing by conveying the right messages on climate change. We all know that we are facing today some kind of turmoil when it comes to climate policies, that some countries pretend that science is just like an opinion and that you can change that. And by the work you are doing every day, conveying these messages that what we are facing is clearly science and that it is a concern for everybody and that we have some levers to fight against climate change, then I think you do a greater job than a lot of political people. So thank you for that. Thank you for helping. And please enjoy this moment in Nice because we have now managed to have more than 50 heads of governments around the biodiversity subject. This is the first time ever, and I hope that we will manage to get great commitments to protect better our ocean.
I'm a foreigner, I'm from the Netherlands, but you're the Minister of Infrastructure?
No, I am the Minister of, let's say, Ecological Transition, Biodiversity, Forestry, Seas and Fishery.
Even much nicer. I love your job. I do apologize.
I just want to welcome you, Madam Minister. She's the Minister of the Ocean. Yeah. Yes, and she had beautiful words for science. And she's the one claiming for having the science that is really taking into account for decision makers. And she's looking for persons to convey this message and to prepare to translate this for decision makers. Thanks to you, journalists, thanks to all the digital tools that we have there, and I hope that you will see this. And so she is delivering key messages. Thank you very much for this, Madam Minister.